Everyone like, share and subscribe our channel and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever new video is uploaded.
Good evening students. Today we are going to discuss about complex number. Before it, first consider the quadratic equation. Okay. Let us consider this quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. And we will discuss about its root. Then we will find the value of discriminant, and discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b is equal to minus 3 and 4 into a is equal to 1 into c is equal to 4. Then this is equal to 9 minus 16. Then this is equal to minus 7. And in last year, if d is less than 0, then you left it. Okay. And in this chapter we continue it. Then the roots is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, or you can write d upon 2 into a. Then minus b means minus 3 plus minus, and d is equal to minus 7 upon 2 into 1. Okay. This is equal to 3 plus minus 7 into minus 1 upon 2. Okay. And here minus 1 is equal to I square. What is I? I is a Greek letter and its square is equal to minus 1, and full form of I is iota. Okay. So x is equal to 3 plus minus 7 and minus 1 is equal to I square, and upon 2. 3 plus minus under root 7 into I upon 2. This is plus minus. And write it as separately. Okay. Then these are the roots of this equation. Okay. And this type of number, it means this is real part and the coefficient of I is called imaginary part. Okay. And this type of number means the number which can write in the form of a plus ib is called complex number, where a and b both are real number. Okay. Means like as 3 minus 3i, this is a complex number. Okay. And if anywhere is written as 4i, it means this is also complex number. Okay. But here the real part is 0. It means this is purely imaginary number. Okay. Complex number. What is complex number? Complex number is a number which is written in the form of a plus ib, where a and b both are real numbers. Here, after that, what is additive inverse of complex number? Additive inverse, you already studied in earlier class. What is the additive inverse of 4? What is additive inverse of 4. This is equal to minus 4. Additive inverse means change the only sign. Okay, clear? And in this chapter, what is the additive inverse of complex number? This is very simple. If any number is 3 plus 4i, this is complex number. Okay, and its additive inverse of 3 plus 4i is equal to change only minus sign. It means minus 3 plus 4i, or you can write it minus 3 minus 4i. Clear? It means we make a minus sign before the number. Clear? After that, what is multiplicative inverse? Okay. Then we reverse the denominator into numerator. Then we will find the multiplicative inverse, like as multiplicative inverse of a plus ib. This is general number. Then its multiplicative inverse is equal to 1 upon a plus ib. Understand? Okay. And if we solve it, means if we convert it into a plus ib form, okay, then it means this form means here this is real part and this is imaginary part, imaginary of z. Okay, this is real part, and real part is also denoted by real of z, and imaginary part is also denoted by imaginary z. Okay, then we do multiply by its conjugate. Again, conjugate is a new word. What is conjugate of this? Conjugate of this means we change only the sign of I. Means here the sign of I is plus. Then its conjugates will be a minus ib. Okay. Then this is equal to, here apply the a plus b and a minus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. It means a square minus ib square, and this is a minus ib. Then a minus ib whole upon a square, and we know I square is equal to minus 1. Then this sign becomes plus and b square. Then what is the result? The multiplicative inverse of this is equal to a upon a square plus b square, and plus I into minus b upon a square plus b square. This is the solution of the multiplicative inverse of this a plus ib. Okay, and this formula direct you can use in any question. Okay, try to use this formula in any question. Let us take a question. Find the multiplicative inverse of 3 minus 4i. Then you can find out inverse of this by this process also, and you can also use this direct formula. If the question is linear or in one word, then you can use direct formula. Okay, inverse, multiplicative inverse of 3 minus 4i is equal to, use this direct formula. What is a? A means, what is a? Here a means real, z means real part. What is b? B means imaginary part. Okay. Then first real part. Real part, what is real part? You can write it here, real part of z upon a square plus b square plus I, what is minus b? B means imaginary part. Okay, upon a square plus b square. You can use this formula direct. Clear? Real z, then here real part is 3. Then 3 upon a square plus b square means 3 square plus minus 4 square plus I into imaginary z minus imaginary z, here imaginary part is minus 4. Then this sign become positive upon 3 square plus minus 4 square. Clear? Then this is equal to 3. This is 16 plus 9, 25 plus I into 4 upon 9 plus 16 means this is also equal to 25. Okay, this is the inverse of 3 minus 4i. And sometimes question arises in the exam that any complex number is given in any form, like as if 1 upon 3 plus 4i. Okay, then the question is that convert it into a plus ib form. This type of question is also arises in exam. What question? 1 upon 3 plus 4i. And the question is that find this number into a plus ib form. Or the question arises as convert this complex number into a plus ib form, or find out the real part and imaginary part of this number. Then what we can do? We do first we rationalize it. For rationalization we do the multiply of its conjugate, and after solving we can get this type of number. Then here this is the real part and 4 upon 25 is imaginary part. Okay.